Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we are going to see the strings, methods and functions in Python. So first, let us create a string with a combination of all the characters. Hello space at 123 space world. So this is an example of a string. And now let us see what are the functions. So the first function is capitalize. So it is print. Let us give a caption for that as capitalize. And the function goes like s dot capitalize function. So what this does is only the first character, that is H, will be converted to uppercase and everything else will be in lowercase. And the next function is casefold. In this casefold function, casefold method converts the string into lowercase. So I'll give the caption as casefold and it is s dot casefold. And the next one is count. This count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. So print. So let us take the count of a specific character and it will be s dot count, and here we have to give an argument which will be, so here L is repeated 3 times, so I'll give the count of L. And the next one is ends with function. So this ends with method checks whether a particular string ends with a specified character. So it is s dot ends with, and here the string ends with D. So let us give some other characters such as W, and the output will be in the form of a boolean. The next one is find function. So what this find function does is searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. So for example, here we have the @ symbol. So I'll give s dot find and I'll give this at, and the find function will return the index of that @ symbol. And similarly, let us use the same function to find something which is not present. For example, I'll give a and let's see what happens in the output. And the next one is index function. So let us take the index of 1. So this will return the index position of 1. And the next one is isalnum. So here the characters are alphabetical, symbols, numbers and also spaces. So isalnum returns true only if all the characters that are present in the string is only alphabetical or numerical. So I'll give it as s dot isalnum. And the next one is isalpha. So isalpha function returns true only if all the characters present inside the string is an alphabet. So I'll give isalpha. And the next one is ASCII. So this ASCII function returns true if all the characters in the string are ASCII characters. So here, if all the characters present belongs to the ASCII character, then it will return true. So s dot is ASCII and the next one is decimal. So this is decimal function returns true if all the characters in the string are decimal. Okay, so I'll print is decimal. And the next function is identifier. So identifiers are the keywords that are present. So for example, if the given string is an identifier, then it will return true, else it will return false. So it is identifier, and the next one is lower. So if all the characters present are of the lowercase, then it will return true. S dot is lower, and the next one is upper. So this will return true if all the characters present are of the uppercase. And now let us see how to convert the character into uppercase. So it will be S dot. This is converting it to lowercase, and the next one is to convert everything into uppercase. So it will be S dot upper, and the next function is to replace a specific portion of the string into some other function, to some other string. So I'll give replace as the caption, and then I'll give S dot replace, and here in this string I'll change at 1 2 3 into at 4 5 6. So I'll give S dot replace 1 1 2 3 comma 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 will be converted into 4 5 6, and the next one is starts with function. So this function will check whether the given string starts with the specified character. So S dot starts with, so here this starts with capital H, so I'll give lowercase h inside this. And now let's check the output. So here capitalize, here we got only H in the uppercase, and casefold, all of these got converted into lowercase. And now the count of character, we gave it as L, so it got 3, and ends with, we gave the character as W, so it does not end with W, so it is false. And now S dot find of at, so index position is 6, so we got 6 here. And same way we tried to find A, so nothing, so A was not present, so we got -1 here. And S dot index of 1 is 7, and isalnum we got false, and isalpha is false, is ASCII is true, and the is decimal is false. It also contains letters, that is alphabets, and is identifier is lower, is upper, everything is false. And here we have converted it into lowercase and uppercase, and here we have replaced 1 2 3 into 4 5 6, and S dot starts with H, so it is false. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.